Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing pretty well. Just finished making a video for recommended glass coatings for 2024. And I'm going to do the same thing with wheel coatings for 2024 going into 2025. This one's going to be a short video because I really only have two coatings to recommend because there's another one you can't really get your hands on. Now I'm going to state this on camera, I'm actually moving away from dedicated wheel coatings, and the reason I'm moving away from dedicated wheel coatings is you don't really need them, especially for daily driven cars. You're not going to approach the temperatures to exceed the limits of dedicated paint coating. And a paint coating these days has a real high temperature resistance. It can handle the heat generated by your braking system, and the heat that's generated there is really not that high, as I mentioned, to start approaching the limits of a paint coating. Because we've been told in this thing that wheel coatings are a much needed coating that you must have for your wheels to handle that real high temperature resistance in there. But again, I've done tests where I've measured the temperature resistance driving back and forth for a few days, for about a week, and I was nowhere near the limits of the paint coating, because I've done research on what paint coatings can handle in terms of temperature resistance. And in retrospect, also kind of just looking at this from a bigger picture, is most OEM wheels are clear coated. Yes, you have your matte and your satin type wheels, which are different substrate, but again, a paint coating will work for that. But in general, whatever you use for your paint will work for your wheels, because like I said, most OEM type wheels have a clear coat on there. So I just want to mention that, but let's get to the recommended wheel coatings of choice from 2024. Now, I'm going to state this real quick. Again, there is no best wheel coating. Everybody's going to have a different situation. The environment's different. So again, you may have to kind of figure out what's the best wheel coating for yourself. But for me, personally, the best wheel coating I've ever used is this one here. 22 PLE VM1. Till this day, this is my favorite wheel coating of all time. 2 layers. I've actually seen performance of over 3 years on this thing, like 3.5 years, and it will still had some life in it in terms of beating. It's just a fantastic coating. The problem is I can't get this anymore in the States. They used to be sold and distributed by Detailed Image. They're no longer sold through them, and I don't know what happened to the brand. I don't know I tried to reach out to the owner. I think he says that he's primarily just focused on his stuff over in, I think he said he's in Singapore. So there's no way I can get my hands on 22 PLE VM1 and 22 PLE HPC and Insanity. Those were great coatings. I just can't get my hands on them anymore. And I think what happened to them is COVID got to them during the whole supply chain issue. I think that just really took them off the market here in the States. So I can't get those coatings anymore. So I had to go back to, again, now I have just 2 coatings here. I've tested Gtechniq C5 wheel armor. Not a big fan of that wheel coating. It just lacks in quite a lot of things in there. I think it needs an update to it if you want a dedicated wheel coating. I haven't used Gyeon Rim Evo, and I don't plan to, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I did use the original Gyeon Rim. Again, it was nothing stellar. Nothing stood out about it. Actually, it wasn't that durable. I'm sure they did their homework for the Evo side of things, but again, I'm not going to be testing that out. So I ended up going back to CarPro Seaquartz Deluxe. And this is not the most durable coating for wheels, but I went back to it because for me, it was just a solid performer, and I could always get about 2 years out of this thing. And I always did, and I ended up going from 1 layer to 2 layers, and because I always seem to get better performance with 2 layers, like a full 2 years out of it. If I did like 1 layer, I'd get roughly about the 12th, the 13th month. 15 was really pushing it, where it started to look like it was losing its performance. So I was using this. The thing about this one is it doesn't go on thick, so sometimes it can be a little tacky to wipe off because it does flash kind of quick for wheels. But I mean, the exceptional hydrophobic properties. It's a real nice glass coating. It's a real nice wheel coating. Handles, I forget the temperature range for heat resistance, so it's it has a nice range there. But again, I enjoy using it. It works great. The other benefit to Deluxe here is you can use it on trim. So you can actually use this to protect plastic trim. So it has two features on it. It's cost effective, and again, overall, it's a pretty good performer. Like I said, I can get about 2 years out of 2 layers of Deluxe. And so then I transitioned over to Armor Detail Supply wheel coating. This is like currently my number one. Deluxe is my number two, and this performs equally as well as that. I think they're both on par in terms of performance, close to that 2-year range. This one, like Deluxe, goes on thick. It's a little harder to wipe off, but once you break through that, then the initial wipe, the second wipe off is of course slicker. Unlike Deluxe, which is a bit tacky. Again, exceptional hydrophobics. Good price on this wheel coating. Again, 2 layers will get you close to 2 years of performance. So again, those are the only 2 glass coatings. I keep saying glass coatings. Those are the only 2 wheel coatings I have that I'm recommending. So definitely check those out. Again, I'm not going to be testing any more wheel coatings at the moment because there's really nothing that really catches my eye. Like Geon Rim doesn't really speak to me. And if a product doesn't speak to me, I don't go out and buy it. Just really that simple. So that's all I have for you guys on wheel coatings. Let me know what you guys think. Post down your favorite wheel coating of all time. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. So again, thanks for watching. Catch you next one. Take care, everyone.